If you've read the syllabus, you will have found out that you need to record a video of yourself doing both your first constructive argument and then your opposition to somebody else's first constructive argument. And you need to do it like this, in this kind of format. Now, I'm using a MacBook Air to go through and record this, and I'm using QuickTime to do so. But you can do the same thing on your iPhone as well, just by going into your camera section and going to video and recording yourself there. In fact, on your iPhone or on any smartphone, it's probably easier to do that than it would be, say, on a MacBook Air or on a laptop. And I won't get into that right now, but for all intents and purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to stop this recording. And the next thing I need to do is save this recording. I already have, actually, in a previous attempt to do this section. So I've called this a sample video. Now, a couple ways you can approach this. One is you can go to the upload dialog box here in QuickTime and click on YouTube. I'm finding that I can't always access YouTube even though I might already be logged in. So I'm going to do this a different way, and I'm going to close out of this, or just at least diminish that. And here I have my YouTube channel open, and I'm going to click on upload. Now, before I do that, you automatically have a YouTube channel if you have a Gmail login. So whatever you have logged in under, if you go to youtube.com at that point, it'll come up. Now I'm logged in here under the identity for the class, the com1270@gmail.com. I'm using that here as a channel to go through and then upload videos for YouTube the same way. So all you need to do is log in to your Gmail account, or your Dmail account, as the case might be. At that point, bring up YouTube, and then in YouTube, you'll have an interface that'll come up, and you hit upload, and it comes up to my upload dialog box. Okay, now I'm going to go into my files. I have this under video, sample video. I'm just going to click and drag that just right into that area. And then when that green dot with a plus sign comes up, it means you're good to go. Let me close this out, and it's showing you here how it's uploading. It's uploading that to YouTube. And it's going to take a couple of minutes to go through and do so. And while that's going on, here's some important information that I want you to put in here. So if you're doing this for your assignment, I want you to name your video. For example, if you're doing this for the first constructive assignment, we're going to go first constructive. And then if you would go and put your last name there, so that way I can keep everything straight when I'm going through and evaluating the videos. And then in the description, put what you might be arguing. So here we might be arguing, what can we argue today? Let's argue bathroom rights, okay? And so that gives me an idea of what to expect when I go through and look at your first constructive argument. Not a bad idea as well, maybe to put down how long this is going to be too. So it looks like we're processing, or about done processing, and this is going to not take a whole lot of time, mainly because it's a pretty short video. The longer your video is, obviously the longer it's going to take to process. Here it comes up with a number of thumbnails. None of these are very flattering. I'm going to go through and pick this one to be representative of the video. And once I have that done, I'm going to click Publish. And by clicking Publish, this publishes right up to YouTube. It's still processing, and we'll wait for a minute or two to see what's going to happen. While it's going on, I'm going to go ahead and click on Video Manager. And there it is, it's still processing. And once it's done processing, then the keyframe will come up representative of that. You can see here the other videos that I've done for this class, the introduction video, the class blog orientation, are all under this channel. So there's the first constructive. If I click on this now, it'll come up and it will start playing automatically. If you've read the syllabus, So I'm going to stop that guy from talking. And at this point, I can go through and share it or embed it. And to do that, if I click on share, it comes up with a number of ways for me to go through and do that. What you will need to do for blogger.com, though, is to go and click on the embed button, icon, I don't know what to call that. And here is where you're going to go through and copy that code right here. So I've just done a hard copy with that. And at that point, once I have this code copy, I can go into my blog, and we'll use this one, for example. I need to sign in real quick here. I think it'll automatically default to that. All right, so I'm going to bring up a new post, and in this post, let's say this will be our first constructive. Don't you hate typing when people are watching you? And now that I'm in the dialog box for the content, I'm going to click on HTML. And what that does is it shows me what code it is that I'm embedding. And now that I'm here, I'm going to go through and paste that code that I just copied into this, okay? Once I paste it in that, I can go back to Compose, and it'll show me then the video. Compose is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And this will show me what's going on. Now, if I publish this, first constructive, it comes up under everything. And if I go to View Blog, you see it come up. There he is right there. And if I play it, it's embedded in there. If you've read the syllabus, you will have enough of that guy. And that's how it works. That's how you can go through and both record your YouTube video and then upload that to YouTube, and then use YouTube as a distribution channel to be able to put this into your blog. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to walk you through it. Hopefully this was enough to help you out.